Hello everyone. This is going to be your first spelling lesson of the 4th grade year. You are in a very special group that is called Syllables and Affixes, and we look at the beginning of words and the ending of words, looking for the root of a word, and really just determining patterns. So the first sort that I have for you is sort 12, and you can see that at the top of your paper. And we are looking specifically at patterns with vowels and consonants. You are going to be looking for these patterns in the middle of your words. So the first thing I want you to do is to get out 3 different color highlighters. I want you to pick your first color, and we're going to look at our first pattern, which is going to be this top pattern up here, which is vowel, consonant, vowel. I want you to follow along with me as I highlight my paper and pay particular attention to what I'm underlining. Vowel, consonant, vowel has an example under the header. That would be super. And I'm going to look for the first vowel in this word, which is the U, and it follows the pattern vowel, consonant, vowel. So I'm going to highlight that pattern. I want you to take a peek at the rest of your words on your sort, and I want you to put a finger on another word that you see the same pattern of vowel, consonant, vowel. I am also going to be sure that I label the pattern as well. So I have my vowel, consonant, vowel. I'm hoping that by this time you put your finger on a word that you believe follows the same pattern. If I look for the word diner over here, I can label vowel, consonant, vowel, and I'm going to again highlight with the same color, but only the pattern. This is training my brain to search for those patterns. Diner. The next word that I see that follows the same pattern is tiger, right here in the middle. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And again, I'm going to highlight with the same color because they belong in the same sort family. The next word I see is later, over here in your first column. Vowel, consonant, vowel. And continue to highlight with me. The next word that I see is paper, right underneath. Vowel, consonant, vowel. That's also part of this first sort. I see the word even in my third column. Vowel, consonant, vowel. I see the word over, looking for that first vowel and analyzing the pattern after. Vowel, consonant, vowel. We have 3 left. We have ruler, vowel, consonant, vowel. I'm going to highlight that. I have the word crazy, vowel, consonant, vowel. I have the word open, which is actually on the bottom in this last column, vowel, consonant, vowel. And our final, tiny, vowel, consonant, vowel. Now I want to look at the next rule for this sort, which is very similar but has a second consonant. The pattern we're going to follow is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I want you to pick up your second highlighter. I'm going to use pink. It's okay if you do not have these colors, just as long as it's a different color from your first group. The pattern here, as I stated, is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. That is our rule. And the example is right underneath with the word supper. I can identify that I have a vowel followed by a consonant, consonant, vowel. It is that double. And I'm paying close attention to only, again, highlight the pattern so that I'm not overwhelmed with all of the letters. We want to pay specific attention to just the pattern in the header. After supper, I want you to try to put your finger on another one that does have that double consonant. There are 11. So if we scan these columns to see what we have, in dinner, I do have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So that does follow the pattern. I'm going to highlight that the same color. If I look at rabbit, that does follow the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. If I look at the word hello, that also follows the same pattern, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And the word underneath, lesson, we do have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. When I look in the middle column, I do have penny. I have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I do have summer, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. In my third column, I have happy, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Pretty, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Puppy, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Kitten, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. And letter, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Now you might be wondering why I did not highlight busy just yet. If I analyze this pattern, I have a few questions. If I analyze the pattern that I have here, I do see, according to the rest, a vowel, consonant, and vowel if Y is considered in syllables and affixes a vowel. But I'm paying particular attention to this U here and the sound that it gives. This sound is going to be a short vowel sound. The short U gives an sound, almost with an E, busy. All of the other patterns, all of the vowels that are starting the pattern have a long sound, like A, ater, aper, an I sound, a long I, tiny, tiny. You can hear the long sound. Over, over, ruler. But here it's a short vowel. And because this is a short sound, it does not technically fit in any of our sorts. So this one is your oddball. It is the only oddball of your sort. So I'm going to take my third color and identify my oddball. You are going to have 8 days between now and your test to practice your spelling. But I do want to show you what your test looks like first. Because if you know what to anticipate, you're going to know how to study to become a better speller. Your 3 colors matter. Because on your test, you're going to need to sort the words into the correct column. Let me show you what I mean. This is what your spelling test is going to look like for sort 12. You are going to have words that you need to spell correctly, and I will read them aloud. And then you're going to take a moment to decide what the pattern is. Is it vowel, consonant, vowel, like super? Or is it vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, like supper? Or is it that oddball? Since we only have one oddball in our sort, let's become familiar with that between now and next Thursday. For example, I'm going to say to you, okay, students, your first word is later. I'm going to go to dinner later. You will then have a few moments to write your word on the line for number 1 correctly. I will then give you a few minutes to find the pattern and place it in the correct column. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to find the first vowel, and I'm thinking to myself, vowel, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel. That belongs in this area. I'm going to put a star to indicate that this word fits this pattern. Then I would say, okay, your second word is happy. I feel happy. You'll then write the word. And again, analyze the pattern. So I'm thinking to myself, find the first vowel, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Even if you need to write the pattern, feel free. Vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I know that that doesn't fit in the first header. That's VCV. This word actually belongs here. So when you're finished, you're going to have a nice, beautiful list of words and check marks or stars if you'd like by the time you are finished. Good luck!